Good day, math warriors. Welcome again to my math tutorial video. In my previous video, I have already discussed about the relation and function. And for today's learning, we are going to learn about a linear equation. So, a linear equation can be written in a form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have here an example. Let us find the equation of the line given the two sets, which is the 1 and 2, and then negative 3 and negative 5. So take note that this is our x sub 1 and our x sub 2. And this is our y sub 1 and this is also our y sub 2. So now as solve for the slope. And if we're going to solve for the slope, we're going to use this formula, which is the m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. I already told you where is our x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, and y sub 2. So, now let us solve for the slope. So, in our numerator rather, is we have y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Then, our y sub 2 is negative 5. And our y sub 1 is 2. So, we have here negative 5 and negative 2. Then, over negative 3 minus 1, because this is our x sub 2 and this is our x sub 1. So, let us solve for this. We have here in our negative 5 and minus 2 is we have here negative 7, and our negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. Then let us divide our sign. So we have here 7/4. So the 7/4 is our slope. This is our slope. And now let us solve using point slope form with point. So this is our formula, which is the y minus y sub 1 is equal to the m, which is the slope, and x minus x sub 1. So we have here the y sub 1. So y minus 2 and equal to the slope, which is this is our slope. So we have here the 7/4. Then x minus 1, because this is our x sub 1. Then we are going to use multiplicative inverse. So we have 4 times y is equal to 4y. 4 times negative 2 is we have negative 8 is equal to 7 times x is equal to 7x. Then 7 times negative 1 is we have negative 7. Then we're going to do the additive inverse. So we have 4, copy the 4y here, then transfer the 7x here, so it will become the positive 7x here will become a negative 7x here. So copy the negative 7, then put this 8 here, so the negative 8 here will become positive 8. So let's do the additive inverse here. So we have 7x minus 4y plus 1, because negative 7 plus 8 is negative 1. Positive 1 rather. So is equal to 0. So this is our standard form. This 7x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 is our standard form. Then our general form is 7x minus 4y is equal to negative 1 in our standard form. So we have here 7x plus 1 is equal to 4y. We can have our slope-intercept. This y variable will be cancelled out. So we need to divide this both side by 4 to make this y variable cancel out. So we have here the slope-intercept. F of x is equal to 7x plus 1 over 4. So this is our slope-intercept. You see this? Sorry for the. This is our slope-intercept, our general form, standard form rather, and our general form. So now let's go to getting our x-intercept first. So we have here 7x is equal to -1. Then to make the x variable cancel out, let us divide both sides by 7. So we have here x-intercept -1/7. And now let's move on to y-intercept. Let's get the y-intercept. So we have here -4y. -4y is equal to -1. To get the y-intercept, we need to cancel out the y variable. So divide both sides by 4, so that cancel out this, and we have y-intercept is equal to 1/4. And if you are wondering why our y-intercept here is positive and our intercept here is negative, it's because we divide both sides. So if we're going to divide negative divided by negative, it will become positive. So therefore, our y-intercept is positive 1/4. So that's it. I hope you've learned something today. Bye.